Hello world, this is Random Fix, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries on Mercedes-Benz remote controls. And this gets a little confusing because there's two different styles, and if you actually look from the back they look identical, and from the front you'll notice one has a triangle, one has a round panic button, and there's going to be a different procedure for opening any of these. And I've seen a lot of people damage their keys because they don't know exactly which key they have. So this is how you tell: is the panic button right here on the left, and then the round panic button on the right here. And the one on the left is going to be a little bit easier. What you want to do is move over this little tab right here and eject your key out. And once you ejected the key out, you want to go ahead and then take it and pop out this back cover right here, and you insert the key and you slowly work this little tab right here to release that. I'll have a link to the battery in the description box below, but it's a CR2025 on this remote. And on this other remote over here, it's going to be a little trickier. You want to do the same exact thing, which is eject the key. Once the key is ejected, you're going to need some kind of long screwdriver, and you want to look right in here. You're going to see this little lever. You want to move this lever over. At the same time, you want to come with your nail and kind of work that out. And if you have a screwdriver, this will just pop out like that. So that really helps out. And the batteries on this one over here are going to be the same exact batteries, which is a CR2025. So I'll have links in the description box below. So let me grab some new batteries for both these remotes and show you what to do next. Alright, so I got my batteries here, and I'm going to go ahead and pop these out. And you want to insert them the same exact way. On this one over here especially, you want to make sure you're using the same brand batteries when you're reinserting them, so you do not want to go ahead and mix them up with two different manufacturers. And to install it, just go ahead and push in like that. Insert your blade, and this is from a 2009, and this other one right here is from a 2012 Mercedes. And the same exact thing on this. You want to just grab your battery just like that, get your new battery, slide it into place, put the front of the cover in first, and there you go. You can see this remote is working now, as well as this one. So there you go. If you ever wanted to know how to do a Mercedes-Benz remote battery change, you have the whole guide right here, and this way you won't be damaging your key. Just look at what style you have, and this is going to be obviously the easier one with the little pop out, and then the one on the right here is going to be a little harder. You're going to need a small little screwdriver. But I really appreciate you guys watching today. Thank you, and please leave your comments and your questions below. And if this is the first time visiting the channel, please consider subscribing for more helpful videos like this. Let me know if you guys have any comments. Hit the subscribe button, and I really appreciate your continued support.